Folio Wallet is a digital wallet app meant to store, manage, and transact with cryptocurrencies or digital assets. It offers features such as holding multiple tokens, sending and receiving funds, and linking to decentralized finance, DeFi tools, or exchanges. From a security standpoint, Folio Wallet includes important protections like private key encryption, biometric or PIN access, and possibly hardware wallet compatibility depending on your version or features. These safeguards are standard in well-designed crypto wallets and help reduce risk of theft or unauthorized access. That said, digital wallets also always carry inherent risks. So if your backup seed phrase or private keys are lost, compromised, or stored insecurely, you may lose assets or access to your funds with no recovery. Also, if the app is compromised, so this can be via bugs, phishing attacks, malicious updates, funds stored within could be vulnerable. The app security depends on its implementation, audits, and whether its code is open source or audited by trusted third parties. Another consideration is its privacy. Wallets interact with blockchains, meaning transaction history is often traceable or public ledgers. The app should ensure that linking identifiability information is optional or limited to what you consent to. In terms of risk versus reward for everyday crypto users, Folio Wallet can be a secure tool provided you follow best practices. Strong passwords, backup seed phase, two-factor or biometric security, but for strong large amounts or high stakes holdings, many would still recommend cold storage, hardware wallets, or multi-signature setups. Now, Folio Wallet is as secure as any good software wallet, and with proper safeguards, it can be reasonably safe for everyone to use, but it's never zero risk. Always treat your seed phrase and private keys like gold. Consider hardware solutions for long-term storage of high-value assets.